I'm so confused. I'm so mad. I'm so married.
Well, a bullet fired through the wall and hit her sleeping son. The man that Valley mother believes is responsible walking free tonight. A jury found the suspect, Freddy Payan, not guilty in this case, and that mother's worried she will never see justice at this point. But as 3TV's Marie Vader tells us tonight, one juror says Freddy Payan is not the guy to blame. Marie?
Right, Fields, this juror says he's a father and he can't imagine what that family is going through, but he says that the evidence was not enough for a conviction.
That big it was.
8-year-old Josel Flores will live the rest of his life with the scars from October 2010. He was asleep on the couch when a bullet from a nearby gang fight flew through his body.
It was just emotionally and just physically draining.
For the past 5 weeks, Scott Cannon served as a juror, deciding whether or not Freddy Payan fired that shot. The state accused him of pulling the trigger, but Cannon and 11 others found Payan not guilty.
None of the evidence that we heard could prove beyond a reasonable doubt, because that's, the framework that we have to work with, that he was there.
Cannon says the state didn't prove its case, and Payan's defense team did.
Our client, Freddy Payan, was never at that house. He was never at the shooting, and that's basically where it all stemmed from.
As to why it lost the case, the prosecutor's office says, while we are convinced that Freddy Payan is guilty of causing the injuries to the victim in this case, the jury was not convinced by the testimony and evidence presented. Although we strongly disagree with the verdict, we must respect the outcome.
The 12 of us did the best we could with what we knew.
Cannon says the jury wasn't immune to the emotion of what Josel and his family has been through, but they feel their decision was the right one.
My heart goes out to Josel, and I want someone to pay for this, but that someone, in all honesty, I don't feel is Freddy Payan. And I couldn't in good conscience say that it was.
I spoke with Josel's mother, Erica, tonight. She says she is still heartbroken, and she feels she has reason to believe that Payan is in fact guilty. But if he's not, she believes that he or his friends know who's responsible. I'm Marie Vader, 3TV.